How so-called temporary orders subtly decide your case. Temporary orders are intended to be interim measures, or so they say, but in practice they often shape the final outcome of a case. Once a temporary arrangement is in place, it becomes the working structure of the case, and sometimes for months or even years. Schedules, financial responsibilities, and routines develop around it. Over time, that arrangement begins to look established. When final decisions are to be made, the question often becomes whether there is a reason to change what has already been in place. That is a different and more difficult question than deciding issues from the beginning. Temporary orders hearings are not designed for detailed fact-finding. They often rely on limited evidence and abbreviated presentations, and I'm talking less than an hour. Even so, the resulting orders can carry forward, as I said, for months or even years. Courts tend to rely on existing patterns because they are easier to evaluate and justify. Temporary orders also affect leverage. The party who benefits from the initial arrangement has less incentive to change it. The other party is often trying to undo it. Because most cases resolve before trial, the temporary arrangement frequently becomes the baseline for settlement. Modifying temporary orders later is possible, but it can be difficult. It often requires showing that the original order was based on incomplete or inaccurate or even unfair information or decisions. The practical point is that temporary orders are not just procedural. They are a significant stage in the case, and decisions made at that stage tend to carry forward.